In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create repository in GitHub Desktop. By the end, you'll have a brand new local repository set up and ready for your code using GitHub's friendly desktop app. Start by opening GitHub Desktop. If this is your first time, you'll see a clean interface with a menu bar at the top and a main window that lists your repositories. GitHub Desktop is a visual companion to Git, so everything we do here mirrors what you do on the command line, just with helpful prompts and fewer chances to make a typo. From the Welcome screen or the File menu, choose the option to create a new repository on your local drive. This tells GitHub Desktop you want a repository stored on your computer first, which is perfect when you're experimenting, working offline, or not ready to publish anything online yet. In the creation window, enter a name for your repository and a short description. The name should be clear and memorable. Many teams prefer lowercase with hyphens instead of spaces like my project to keep things consistent across systems. The description is optional, but writing a sentence about the project's purpose will help you and your collaborators later. Next, choose the local path. This is the folder on your computer where the repository will live. You can browse to an existing development folder or create a new one from this dialog. GitHub Desktop will make a project folder with your repository's name inside the location you pick, so double check you're placing it where you want your work to be organized. Now select a git ignore template and a license if you need them. The .gitignore file tells Git which files to leave out of version control, such as build artifacts, environment files, or system-specific clutter. Pick a template that matches your tech stack, for example, Node, Python, or macOS, so common unwanted files are ignored automatically. For the license, choose the one that matches how you want others to use your code. Popular choices include permissive options or more protective ones, but if you're unsure or this is for personal use, you can leave it unset for now and add one later. When everything looks right, click Create Repository. GitHub Desktop will initialize the repository with the settings you chose and open it immediately. You'll see your current branch, the changes area, and the history panel. That's it, your repository is ready. From here, you can start adding files in your editor, then return to GitHub Desktop to review and commit your changes with clear messages. You've just laid a solid foundation for versioning your work with confidence.